viewers, welcome to the channel. Who are seeing the first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications on your mail. So today I'm going to show you some interesting video which we can make these kind of booties. It's all made with Lakshmi coins. In other language people used to say this Lakshmi Kasulu. So this Kasu design, it's very easy. We will make this with uh, these materials. Take the needle with thread, normal thread, and use the kundans and one jerkin ring, and also use some Lakshmi Kasu or Lakshmi coins. Okay, so here what you need to do, take the first of all wherever you want to make this kind of booties, mark it, and now start working with this. Okay, so here I also use some sugarcane beads. Now make a knot at the end of this thread, and now start the working. Okay, so first stick the jerkin ring, on that stick the kundans. Also made a flower with this kundan. Okay, so it's so easy. Once complete the sticking of these kundans, you need to start the stitching with Lakshmi coin and also the sugarcane bead. See how I'm doing here. These are the sticking kundans, so I'm just taking the help with the pencil, or you can use the any sharp thing which can be easy to you to stick the kundans. Okay, so I'm just making a flower here just around the jerkin ring. So, why I kept that jerkin ring is just to highlight that middle part. Okay, so now I have taken this Lakshmi Kasu. These Lakshmi coins are costly, around single piece is around 10 rupees. So according to your fabric you need to use it. If you are using the cotton or silk, silk, or some kind of pattu or silk kind of fabric, if you are using the using for the blouse, then you need to make costly and good quality material to make the work. So here I'm using this Lakshmi Kasu, which is around single piece is 10 rupees. I brought it with 10 rupees single piece. Okay, so it's a very nice thing that I'm just started stitching with the normal needle. Okay, start with any of the kundan side, and take one Lakshmi Kasu and give a secured stitch. Then again start with the sugarcane bead, secure that sugarcane bead too. Again start with Lakshmi Kasu. So the same process, complete complete the round, so that it will give you a good look. So most of the people will leave that Lakshmi Kasu around as it is, but some people won't like to be move the Lakshmi coin, so they will stitch, otherwise they will stick it. Okay, some of the coins will come availability to stitch on the downside also, but here it is not possible. You can stick it with the glue if you are required, otherwise you can leave this as I am showing in this video. Making of this design is very simple, and you can make this design for whole complete blouse. Making of the booties as shown in the starting and ending of this video, I have given the photograph, and you can also make on sari too. If you want, you can work out, or any of the lehengas, or any of the anarkali dresses, any of the um, um, like for chunnis also you can use this kind of designs. Okay, so mostly this work is very cost, and it's also give you a elegant look and traditional look. Okay, so it will be, it's a make simple round kind of big booties, so that It's a very easy, anyone can do it very simple, in a simple way. Okay. So these kind of designs will be good for kids lehengas and all. So for traditional dresses for the kids, you can use this kind of design. It will be like, it looks like a very heavy work, but it is very easy to make these kind of works. So complete the design with the whole round of this kundan flower, and now your booty is ready. So say do the repeat it with the same wherever you have marked it on this particular blouse or any of the saris. Wherever you want, you can make these kind of simple booties. So I think so it's not most difficult thing. It's only materials required, and with the simple at home, who have the normal needles, they can also do this. It's not necessary that everybody should know the RE embroidery and all. So anybody can make these kind of designs. Okay. So see here how beautiful it is. It's almost done. So here Lakshmi coins are moving, right? Some people will not be interested to take this kind of look. So you people can stick with glue if you won't need it. But I'm leaving like this. So this is today's video. Hope you people have liked it. Please give a like button and also share it in your communities. And this is Lakshmi coins booty. And I'm requesting the people who are seeing first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications on your mail. Okay, thank you so much guys. We'll meet you with the next video.